Hey everyone, the Groovy Geneticists are back with another video.
Today we have something super fruity to discuss, DNA extraction.
We are going to be extracting DNA from a banana, sharing why and how we are able to perform this extraction.
Let's get into it!
The materials you will need to perform this extraction are dish soap, a small beaker or test tube, a plastic bag, a strainer, tweezers, any fruit of your choice, measuring cups, measuring spoons, salt, isopropyl alcohol, and water. For the purpose of our video, we will be using a banana.
First, we have to measure 90 milliliters of water in a beaker.
Next, add 10 milliliters of dish soap to the water.
Add a quarter teaspoon of salt to the beaker and mix it up.
Add your fruit of choice and add the solution you just made to a bag. We will be using a Ziploc bag.
Remove as much air as possible and seal the bag.
Now through the bag, mash up your banana with your mixture until there are no longer any chunky pieces visible. Here is our chunk-free mashed banana.
Now take a strainer and strain all of the liquid you can from the banana until there is a pretty decent amount. Here we are using a measuring spoon, and gently press to ensure that you have extracted any remaining liquid.
Now for the fun part. Add 5 milliliters of iced isopropyl alcohol.
After waiting about 5 minutes, you can see a chunkier substance separate from the liquid at the top. That's our DNA. To extract the DNA from the rest of the mashed banana liquid mixture, simply take your tweezers and gently remove the white film. Our DNA did not clump together enough to extract the white film, but if yours clumps correctly, it should be able to be easily extracted and then set aside.
So why were we able to use alcohol to extract the DNA from our banana? Well, let's break it down. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is found in every living thing, including bananas. But to get to that DNA, we first have to break open the cells where it's hiding.
When we mashed up the banana, we broke down its cells mechanically, but we also used dish soap and salt in our solution for a reason. The dish soap breaks apart the cell and nuclear membranes by dissolving fats, while the salt helps clump the DNA strands together.
And here's where the alcohol actually comes in. DNA isn't soluble in alcohol, which means it won't dissolve in it. By carefully adding the alcohol, we made the DNA clump together and rise to the top so that we can see it more clearly and then extract it. That white stringy substance we pulled out, that's pure banana DNA. This method works because we're using simple chemistry to isolate DNA, breaking open the cells, protecting the DNA, and then making it visible with alcohol. Pretty groovy, right?
And that's it for today's episode. We hope you found this DNA super interesting and learned something new about how DNA works.
Until next time, remember to
Stay groovy!